Hello everyone, this is Himanshu here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the second question from SG sheet, and the question is less time to find the missing number. So what is missing number? So missing number is basically a number that is not present between 0 to an index in the array. So we have given an array nums, and the size is uh, size is 3, and the number that is not present here is 2. So since n is not present here, uh, we just need to return that element as an output. So I think so far you will understand the problem. uh, let's take the second example for better understanding. So in the second example, nums containing 0 and 1 element. So the size of the nums is 2. So the element that is not present in array is 2. So we return that element as a output. So I think now the question you will understand. So let's write the code. So first of all, store the we initialize a variable and store the size of the nums array. So after that we uh, we initialize two variables. First is sum, which initially value 0, and the sum array which also the initial value at 0. And after that we write a formula. We in our school days we learn a formula called sum equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula calculates the sum of the whole natural numbers, so the natural number formula. And after that we put a loop over here, and it start from 0 and going till the end of the array. And after that we calculate the sum of the array. So sum r equal to sum r plus nums I. Okay, and after that we return and separate the sum minus sum r. And after that like the whole solution is here. We just need to run the code. So it got accepted. We just need to submit the code. Okay, so the code is running. And if I talking about the time complexity, so the time complexity will be as we are not using any extra space, so space complexity is big O1, and the time complexity we are using one loop, and the loop is 0 to n. So the time complexity will be big O n, and the space complexity will be big O1. Now if I talking about the first approach, this is a second approach. You can tell the interviewer the first approach will be the brute force, you can say. So the brute force is, firstly we sort the array. Okay, so I'm going to and after sorting the array, we put a loop over here, and it start from 0 to n. And if nums I not equal to I, then return I, else return nums dot size. And we just need to submit the code. So this is also accepted. So thank you so much for watching this video, and